Hi, I'm Sierra. So, you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can't check them all off at Durbin Oaks. Must-have number 1, low-maintenance yard. You won't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because every home will have lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 2, one-level living with modern finishes. This community will consist of all one-level homes designed with your lifestyle in mind. You will appreciate the thought that went into each design: wider doorways, raised vanities, showers with seats, lowered light switches, and raised outlets. You'll love all of the details. And inside, you'll be able to choose from your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. We've hired interior designers for you. Select from professionally designed packages that give you the confidence that everything coordinates. Must-have number 3, convenient location. Durbin Oaks is located just 2 minutes from downtown Fountain Inn, where you can enjoy the seasonal farmers market and local shops and restaurants. Quick grocery run on the to-do list? Ingalls is just 5 miles away. Whether you are taking the interstate to work or travel, you'll be happy to know your new home is located less than 5 minutes from I-385. Ready to live a low-maintenance lifestyle at Durbin Oaks? If we've checked everything off your list, take the next step and come see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.